It demands alertness and unspoken coordination. The band starts playing. The drums roll and high-pitched voice commands. A march past is not only impressive, but the sense of pride and respect the cadets bring to it is highly motivating. The march past is led by 2 horsemen, as our NCC cadets are trained in horse riding and various equestrian events. Horses bring a unique combination of tradition, symbolism, and visual impact to march past, making them an important and enduring element of ceremonial events. We request our guest, Chief Guest Mr. V. Devarajan, to step forward and receive the salute from our students. We request our guests, Mr. M. Stalin, Mr. G.J. Manohar, and Madam Grace Sheila, to be the judges and inspect the march past. Kindly look into the parade ground. Stepping forward now is Jude of Greatwell, the school pupil leader of MCC Public School, enthusiastically leading the march past. He is followed by the assistant school pupil leader Shifra, the co-curricular activities captain Jeevita, and the sports captain Jerome Franklin. The school band is coming into focus, led by Mukesh Kumar. You can see them leading the school contingents with military precision. Hear the majestic sound of the drum beats and the trumpet tunes. As the drum beat rolls and the band strikes up, a high-pitched voice issues a command. Following the school band is the NCC, the National Cadet Corps. This unit is associated with Unit 1 TN, Remount and Veterinary Squad NCC. John Moses Royce, the sergeant, proudly holds the flag, and Jerida Kristen holds the placard. The NCC Associate Officer is Mr. Sam Sundaram. We now witness the Cubs and the Bulbuls movement. The Cub leader is Jonathan of Grade 5. The Bulbul leader is Yaga Vigasni of Grade 5. Their flock leader is Ms. Geeta Rajendran, our physical education teacher. They stand by their motto, do your best. They also march to achieve 3 broad principles: duty to God, duty to others, and duty to self. They are followed by the Bharat Scout and Guide movement. We are proud to announce that this is the first unit of Scout and Guide to march on our school campus. Their captain is Mukesh and vice captain is Sri Anjana. Scout master is Mr. Balasubramani, and the guide captain is Ms. Sasireka. The Scouts and Guides are loyal, trustworthy, courageous, thrifty, friendly, and disciplined. We now witness the march past of the 4 houses. Leading the march past is the Anderson House, marching brilliantly right in front of you, headed by the captain Amaldini. Their vice captain is Jabez. Mr. Praveen and Ms. Shirley serves as their housemasters. The Anderson House is clad in purple, which is a symbol of joy, enthusiasm, optimism, and idealism. The placard of the Anderson House represents the unity of all 4 houses. It embodies the spirit of inclusiveness in sports. Now at your side is the lovely Boyd's House March, commanded by the captain, Perlin Kezia. The vice captain is Cheryl Burness, and their housemasters are Ms. Jisha and Ms. Divya. The blue color stands for loyalty, peace, stability, and calm. The placard of the Boyd House represents the hot air balloons. This was also used as the Olympic cauldron at the 2024 Paris Olympics. The torch relay features the spirit of the sport, promoting peaceful and inclusive societies. We now have the charming Meston House parading in front of you. Captain Sanjay Korunagaran is leading the way, and the vice captain is Gloria Abigail. The housemasters are Mr. Balasubramani and Ms. Lavanya. The pink color stands for charm, tenderness, passion, and civility. The placard of the Meston House represents a world with diverse communities. The dove symbolizes the unity, inclusivity, and peace throughout sports. Now in front of you is the gracious Miller House contingent, commanded by the captain Suresh Pillai. The vice captain is Emmanuel Nathan. The house masters are Ms. Sasireka and Ms. Ranjani. The color green symbolizes nature, rejuvenation, and generosity. The placard of the Miller House represents the theme, Sport for All. It emphasizes the importance of making sports accessible for everyone, regardless of age, gender, ability, or background. We can witness that each house has put in great effort to exhibit its name placard creatively. The house system in our school provides a competitive spirit and instills in the values of teamwork, appreciation for winners, and taking defeat in the right spirit. Students are divided into 4 teams: Anderson, Boyd, Meston, and Miller. A well-executed march past is a visual and auditory treat when accompanied by passionate marching music. They lay out a detailed march past routine that emphasizes bearing, marching, saluting, and coordination. All the march past students are aligned to their designated positions on the parade ground. Dear students, prepare for the next crucial phase of our annual sports day. It's now time to ignite the Olympic flame, which stokes the flame of athletic fervor. I'd like to ask our chief guest, Mr. V. Devarajan, to light the torch and start the day's activities. The first torchbearer is Kayura Rajesh of 4B, a young whiz kid of wheels, a skating superstar. She has earned top 10 ranking all over India in inline speed skating in the Provisional Ranking 2023. She has secured first place in Grade 3 Girls Category 50-meter race, first place in Grade 3 Girls 75-meter race in Inter-School Athletics Meet 2024. She is not just skating but soaring to new heights. The torch is now passed over to Harish of Grade 7, the young aquatic ace who has got the skills and the pace. He has secured first place in 50-meter and 100-meter backstroke, 200-meter freestyle, third place in 100-meter freestyle, third place in 50-meter backstroke, 50-meter freestyle, 200-meter individual medley, and 50-meter breaststroke at the Aqua Challenge. Every lap he swims is a testament. The torch is now handed over to Pranav of Grade 6. With every smash and every shot, he is the winner in under 13 and 15 badminton tournament, winner in the state level sub-junior singles badminton tournament. He is not just playing badminton, but mastering it. The torch is now handed over to Vijayan Roy of Grade 10. With a flick of the wrist and a dash of speed, he is the winner of singles and doubles at the Savita Engineering College Tournament, winner at MCC MRF Badminton Tournament, winner at the Dayal State Level Badminton Tournament. He is playing with heart in every rally. The torch is now handed over to Kaushik of Grade 10. With a racket in hand and determination in heart, he is the winner in both singles and doubles. At TN State Championship, singles winner at the MCC MRF Badminton Tournament, and played more than 6 nationals, 15 state, and qualified into top 16. Kaushik now hands over the torch to Ronald Ratnam. With a splash of talent and a dash of speed, he has won 3 gold medals and 3 silver medals at the 50th State Championship, won 5 gold medals and 50th Junior State Aquatic Championship, and created two new meet records. 50-meter butterfly stroke, he broke an 18-year-old record, and in 100-meter freestyle stroke, he broke a 16-year-old record. He's gliding through the water like a pro. The light of soul, knowledge, and life is represented by the flame. Power, sturdiness, and hope are represented by light. On the grounds of our school, a flame of peace and harmony has just been kindled. The flame symbolizes the light of spirit, knowledge, and life. May this light shine, dispelling the shadows in everyone's lives and illuminating our future. It's time to take the oath to demonstrate our resolve and dedication. Assuming their positions of authority, the captains will publicly take the oath of office and swear to safeguard the principles and customs of the school, promising to raise it even higher. May I now ask our correspondent and principal ma'am to start the swearing-in ceremony. On behalf of the captains, the sports captain Jerome Franklin will take the oath by the rules and regulations.
We swear that we'll take part in the 8th annual sports meet in fair and loyal competitions, respecting the rules and regulations which govern them, and with desires to participate in them with a true spirit of sportsmanship for the honor of our school and the glory of sports.
Thank you, Jerome. Thank you, ma'am. The captains will now place their house flags. I request our distinguished chief guest, Mr. V. Devarajan, to officially declare the MCC Public School Annual Sports Day 2024 open. He will declare the sports meet open by releasing the pigeons as a symbol of peace and harmony.
I declare MCC Public School Annual Sports Day 2024 open.
Dear parents and students, let's cheer and give a huge round of applause as the sports meet is declared open. As the pigeons fly higher and higher, we feel that our spirits are soaring higher too. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. I request all the students to disperse into their respective house tents while the ground is set for the school band for a special performance. A hearty welcome to our guest of honor, Dr. James Zakaria, the HOD of Physical Education, MCC College. I request our principal ma'am to felicitate sir. I request our principal ma'am to felicitate our guest of honor, Dr. James Zakaria. Thank you, sir, for joining us today.